In this video, I'll show you how to make your Facebook Reels private in just a few simple steps. If you don't want everyone to see your Reels, you can change the privacy settings so only certain people can view them. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile page. From there, find the Reel that you want to make private. Once you open the Reel, tap on the three dots in the corner of the Reel. A menu will appear with several options. From the list, tap on Edit Privacy. Now you'll see different privacy options such as Public, Friends, or Only Me. Choose Friends if you only want your friends to see the Reel, or select Only Me if you want to keep the Reel completely private. After selecting the option, the privacy setting will be updated and your Reel will only be visible to the audience you selected. And that's it. That's how you can make Facebook Reels private. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.